Hey, what's up? It's Bill with Seeds of Nature Water Gardens, and I am in West Lynn, a suburb of Portland, Oregon, on a really awesome project. This is going to be a 10-foot wide by 14-foot long ecosystem pond with an 8-foot stream. We have multiple fountain features in this, and this is going to be absolutely breathtaking. We're going to have a faux fire rock, step stones going over the pond and stream section into a it's going to be a future gazebo, a hand-built gazebo and the carpenter is going to put the gazebo deck cantilever over the pond. We're going to have a short block wall in there, so we have a really steep edge, and this is going to be absolutely amazing. Let me show you some of the details for this project. All right, start with the headwaters. So we're going to have about a 2-foot tall waterfall. We're going to be using our 2500 biofalls. It's going to be plenty enough for this feature to keep it nice and clean. And so the idea with the stream is that directly behind you is the house. We're going to have a patio. This is directly in line with the upstairs bedroom. So from the upstairs bedroom window, we're going to be able to have a clear line to the waterfall. We're going to have stacked slate urn that I'm going to cut in half, so multiple fountain features. We're going to have multiple waterfalls and angles, because obviously we want to have angles for the house, but we also want to have angles for the future gazebo and patio that's going to be over here. So waterfall fountains drop into a stream, and we're also going to have a 32-inch patio bowl. So if you've ever seen those fountain bowls, we're going to cut that up. We're going to light it up. It's going to be awesome. We're going to put all types of plants in it, whatever she wants, and then it's going to fall back into the pond. And so this pond is, give or take, going to start about right here where you see these lines, and we're going to have step stones that are going to course to the gazebo area. There's going to be a faux fire rock that's going to be incorporated into the pond and also the gazebo area. And so this is going to be a really cool interactive spot. I want all these edges really tight, so it's very seamless. Everything looks like it all grows together. You know, patio bowl here. We're going to have some rock work in here because this is going to be a lot of excavation over here. And then obviously the pond, beautiful pond. We're going to have fish cave in there. It's going to be lit up. We got 8-watt wide angle lights. So at night, this is just going to be spectacular. We got 1-watt lights going to go on all of the fountain features, and 8-watt lights going to go inside the pond. It's going to be absolutely amazing. I'm so excited. And then also a small stack slate urn in the corner of the pond, just to add a little bit of interest, so that when you're walking back, you see a fountain and it kind of entices you to come back into the backyard. Also, just adding some more aeration is always beneficial for the bacteria and life cycle of the pond. And so yeah, I'm really excited. Let's get going.
Won't tear the little league, won't be home till late. I named the house that echoes the mountain I can take. Said a day with a couple friends, ones I know I won't see again. Not about to keep my word, but I so will pretend. Well, I can hear you calling, it's digging into my brain. Well, I can kill the thoughts, the clap talk, but I can't lose the pain. Well, I'm far from home, far from missing you. Want to sing me a little hymn, so that, well, I can sing it too.
I want to move to building the kind of, it's going to be a rock wall behind the berm. It doesn't have to be fancy. No one's going to see it. So it's just to hold up the dirt. I'm using all the small rocks. So basically just building up a berm. I'm going to put my biofalls in. Then once I have my biofalls in, I'm going to be able to see how long my deep stream's going to need to be. So I'm kind of building everything backwards. I'm putting all my elements in and kind of just figuring it out as I go. I know I have my, I have the template, the plan, so I know the distances of the concrete path and how far away they are, so I can stay within, my space. And I'm just going to kind of fill in the blanks as I go. All right, that's a wrap. Came back about after a year to see how, all the landscapers did all their work and the construction crews built the deck and the pergola. It's absolutely beautiful. I love how everything turned out. That's it. All right, thanks for watching. Peace.
Hold you down, oh, hold you down.